Hi Capricorn, this is Marishi Machasaloka. Let's see, what is your situation as of now or what you need to hear from me right now? Capricorn's out there, Sun, Moon, or Rising, Venus. What is it that you need to hear from me right now? Capricorn's out there, what is it that you need to hear from me right now? Your first card is this one. Look at the Judgment. You want me to look at this card as well. Behind the deck is the Hierophant. All right. The other card is the Emperor. The Judgment, the Emperor, along with the Hierophant. Three major arcanas on the table. It's like a decision. It's the final judgment, the final verdict. A decision is being made. And I get the feeling it could go in your favor. All right, for that, let's break the deck. This one. Queen of Pentacles, all right. There's something about your stability and security which you could have been concerned about. Something is going to go in your favor. Okay? Because I do see a Nine of Swords which is peeping out. It is not even the next card, but the Nine of Swords is peeping out. There's, Knight of Pentacles behind. So if things were moving very, very slowly in your life, and you were losing your sleep over this, things are about to change. All right? Because Hierophant is all about foundation, structures, things which go by the rules and regulations. Along with the Emperor, I feel like somebody could be deciding in your favor. And I get this energy, you might be uplifted, like there might be stability and security which is going to come into your life. I'm just going to break the deck again, which is weird. This one. Yes, Knight of Cups. All right. So there is an offer. That's the clarification which I needed. So something is going to come through for you. Something is going to be offered to you. Okay. It's going to go in your favor. And I get this feeling it is something which you waited on. Like, when will this happen? It's coming through. All right. All of a sudden my ear is hurting. It's gone. There could be some kind of an obsessiveness or toxicity involved with wanting this to come through, if that makes sense. Let's see. Can we have the next card, please? Capricorn's out there. It could be you obsessively thinking that the judgment should go in your favor. Like you are hoping for this to come your way. Let's see if it's actually coming through or not. Capricorn's out there. Can we have the next card, please? This one. Two of Cups. I did see that while I was shuffling the cards. Maybe look at this as well. Behind the deck is the Magician's energy. The other two cards which I pulled out is the Wheel card along with the Three of Wands. So it's like Three of Wands, it's a merchant who's waiting for the ships to return. The wheel is turning, like finally it is coming through. Like what you had been waiting for, it's coming through. So it's not you being, obsessive about, you could have been, but it's like you have been waiting for it and now it is finally coming because the Judgment Day, right? It's like it's finally coming through. And I get this feeling you deserve it. All right? Two of Cups. It could be a person who's entering your life, or it could be, some kind of a commitment which is going to come through. Okay? Because the Magician, I get this energy from the Magician, you made this happen. What is coming your way, it's not happening out of the blue. You made this happen. So if you might be dealing with a Gemini energy, a Cancerian energy, an Aries energy. Capricorn's out there. Can we have the next card, please? A card flipped out within the deck, which is the Ten of Pentacles. That's lovely, all right? I was just thinking it could have been a relationship situation, or it doesn't have to be, it could be something else, right? Ten of Pentacles speaks about your stability, your security, your future abundance, yeah? It's just not your family. There is so many coins which is attached to this card. It speaks about there is going to be an upgrade in your situation, in your life. When this happens, all right, when this collaboration or whatever it is, when this happens, there is going to be an upgrade. Yes, it is going to feel like a wish fulfillment. You're going to be very content with your life. Okay? Yeah, the Sun card. I was just thinking things are finally happening. All right, the Sun card is the most beautiful card. It could be a new chapter. All right, it's a new beginning. All right. Yeah, Eight of Swords. If you felt stuck, there is something else. Yes, the Moon card. Like, I don't know what is happening. Eight of Swords is a energy of feeling trapped, feeling stuck. You know, up here you feel lost. Even with that Moon card, it's there is this energy of not knowing what is the future. But with that Sun card, things are finally, you know, you are able to remove the blindfold. You don't have to be anxious anymore. You're not trapped anymore in your head. Will this happen? Will this come through for me? Because I see you waiting, right? The wait is over. All right. It's like the sun is shining down on you. All right. Can we have the next card, please? Capricorn's out there. I saw the Ace of Wands. It could be some kind of an opportunity as well. Capricorn's out there. Can we have the next card, please? Strangely, I was just, you know, I've done like 5 readings before you. I didn't have this problem. So when my ears hurt, it's kind of this energy of toxicity which is coming through. So I get this toxic energy. And when this is a clarification for that, for swords, even with that Eight of Swords energy, you are sabotaging yourself, you know, you're pushing yourself into the dark. Not knowing what is out there for you, will things shift for you, is putting you in that darkness. Because Four of Swords as well, it just stopped. They just want me to speak about it. It came earlier as well, but I don't remember. I don't think I have elaborated on that. Four swords, which is hanging over your head. So you're stressed out. There is this energy about losing your sleep over this. Yeah. Along with the Six of Cups. I get this energy, you might be tensed, and that tension is within the family as well. Alright, because Six of Cups is a family energy. Alright, I'm just going to put this back in because I don't feel like it's supposed to be on the table. But whatever you had been, Four Swords is a waiting energy, like you're stressed out, you're waiting, like when. The decision is coming through. Okay. Some of you might be dealing with a Libran energy or probably a Scorpion energy. Can we have the next card, please? Capricorns. Capricorns, you're stressing me out. My ear is hurting. So it's like you're stressed out, you're anxious, you're in your head. Alright, Capricorns, can we have the next card, please? Nope. What is this? Yeah, Four of Cups, you're unhappy with your life right now. All right, with how things are, there is this discontent energy. This is not what I wanted. This is not how I want things to be. Now you're very emotionally unsatisfied. All right, can we have the next card, please? Capricorn's out there. Even I feel like with the Four of Swords and the Six of Cups, your family could be stressed out. Okay. Can we have the next card, please? Please. Capricorn's out there. I saw the Death card, which speaks about the transition. That phase could be coming to an end. Your next card is this one. Star card is all about your dreams, your wishes, your desires. All right, behind the deck. Yes, when I spoke about the Death card, I saw the Death card while I was shuffling. Six of Swords is also the same energy, the transition. Okay, how you're feeling right now, that phase is going to be over pretty soon. Pretty soon? I'm not sure about, but with that Judgment energy, yeah, one it is going to go in your favor. Like, there is going to be a transition in your life. I'm not sure about the pretty soon part, all right? We will see if there is a time frame. But this is going to go in your favor. The Judgment is going to go in your favor. Your dreams, your wishes, your desires, like whatever you have been hoping for, it is happening. All right? What you're going through right now, if you're suffering, all right, if things aren't going your way, that is about to shift. I'm just going to break the deck here. This one. Three of Wands. So this is the merchant who's waiting for the ships to return, right? For the a wheel card. It came with a wheel card earlier for the wheel to turn in your favor. I'm telling you, the wait is over. All right, this is because I was just laughing because I was speaking about the time frame. All right, so they are emphasizing what you have been waiting for. It's coming. It is coming. The shift is happening. All right. Some of you might be dealing with an Aquarius energy or an Aries energy. Capricorn's out there. There is a need for you to ground yourself, okay? Because I get this energy, it is affecting your headspace. Like the stress is getting to you. There is a need for you to ground yourself. I don't know how you will ground yourself. For me, taking a walk grounds me, all right? It just, it helps me. For my mother, it's gardening. That's what I noticed. All right. She's in a happy place when she's doing her gardening shit. My grandmother, she used to do the knitting. So that's, people do stuff because it brings them, that calm, that serene feeling where they can take their mind off something, right? So there is something about you needing to ground yourself. Do something, all right? Take your, head off all the anxiety and stress. There is a need for you because it's getting a little toxic. Now it stopped again. The Magician. Whatever you got to do, you got to do it. All right? It will happen. But then there is a need for you to focus on your headspace. For some reason, that's coming through. All right, Capricorns. Some of you might be dealing with a Gemini energy. Can we have the next card, please? Capricorns out there. Just one. They want me to look at another card as well. This is your next card, Knight of Wands. So that's your time frame, all right? It is coming through real quick. This is a fast-paced energy, Knight of Wands. when I kept saying I don't have a time frame on the table, so what Three of Wands is like you're waiting for, it's coming. But when? Pretty fast. All right, pretty quickly, yes. For Swords, you're losing a shit. All right, just thinking about it. When? It is happening for sure. All right, the wait is going to be over. With the Sun card, most beautiful card in this deck. All right, it is going to bring about a new beginning, a new chapter. No, that's weird. This one. The Moon and the Sun. So it's like, that's why I was a little confused trying to pull out the card because it wasn't coming. So if you are confused, will it ever happen? Okay. Moon card is a card of confusion. It's a card of not knowing. But that's about to change. Okay. The wait is over. Yeah, Page of Wands. Just behind First Swords is the Ace of Wands, along with the Page of Wands. You're going to hear about it. Okay, you're going to receive news, even with that Judgment energy in the traditional deck. The Spirit. This is a Spirit. All right, is blowing a trumpet. So you're going to hear about it. All right. It's just 3 cards still. Did I pull out any more cards? That's it. Damn it. I think there was a first card on the table. Oh, I put... Give me a second. Sorry about that. I put the Judgment card back into the deck. I was wondering why just 3 cards on the table. All right. So we have just one more card to go to end your reading. Capricorn's out there. Can we have the next card, please? Can we have the last card, please? They stopped me at the Four of Cups, all right, which is your energy of 3 of Cups. I get this feeling, 4 of Cups. That is this energy of sulking, okay? This is not your last card yet. Sulking in a corner, okay, that could be the reason why I was picking up the energy of being in your headspace. Like, why is nothing happening for me? There is this energy of being unhappy, all right, very discontent, all right. This is when you see other people happy, all right. 3 of Cups is an energy of celebrations. When you see that, it affects you. All right, you're still optimistic. You're still optimistic, but then it affects you. This one, 9 of Pentacles. Again, if you look at that, I'm not going to pull it out again. I don't know where it landed. 3 of Swords. All right. It's like it's hurting you, all right? Others' happiness is hurting you. Does that make sense? All right? That's why I'm saying it's getting a little toxic for you. Maybe you waited for a very long time and nothing is happening, so it's like you're losing hope, all right? Because you had been optimistic and still nothing is happening, so you're losing hope because other people are celebrating. All right, other people are celebrating and you are sulking in a corner. Okay? But you're being reassured. All right, there is assurance within this reading that things are about to shift. Because of Judgment. Okay? For some reason, I don't have a deck on me. All right. I will do a clarifier for the Judgment after the last card. All right. For some reason, they want me to pick another deck and it's on the other table. All right. Can we have the last card, please? Can we have the last card, please? Capricorn's out there. See, 7 of Swords. along with the Chariot energy. Seven of Swords and the Chariot along with the Queen of Wands. That is strange. I don't know. What was that about? The Wheel and the Magician. There's something about the Seven of Swords. Seven of Swords. I forgot what is the other card. Yeah, Chariot energy. Seven of Swords and the Chariot, along with the Magician's energy. Seven of Swords is a manipulative energy, people doing things behind your back. That kind of energy. Why are you showing me this now? It's almost like strange. Give me a second. Let me use another deck. I stopped reading at 21:21. That's 3:3. Something about this reading. When I'm looking at the Seven of Swords along with the Chariot energy and the Queen of Wands, I get this energy. There is somebody out there who can change the course of your life. Because Queen of Wands is a very powerful energy. Okay, because there is a black cat. Because Magician is a magician. Queen of Wands is again somebody who has magic or somebody who, you know, makes things happen. Along with a Chariot. Seven of Swords. It's like somebody can shift things for you because the Magician's energy along with the Wheel card. So somebody has the power to shift the wheel for you, if that makes sense. Let's see. Do we have the Seven of Swords? Nope. Just it's like they have to decide. Anyhow. Can you tell me what you're trying to say with this Magician's energy along with the Wheel card? The Queen of Wands, Seven of Swords, and the Chariot. What are you trying to tell me with these cards? Page of Swords. It's almost like you know what I'm talking about because the King of Pentacles came through along with the Ace of Swords, which is like you having the clarity. I'm speaking to the Capricorns out there. This is an Aries or a Taurus energy, still an Earth sign energy. But Ace of Swords, it's like you know exactly what I'm talking about. And we are speaking about a Page of Swords. Like someone who has to make that decision to shift this strange cards. All right, it's a whole different side to your story, because I said that for some reason I wanted to use another deck to clarify what the Judgment is about, because I felt like there is a shadow energy, like something else behind that Judgment. Like, how is the Judgment happening? There is something about that. That's when they showed me this energy of the Magician and the Queen of Wands and the Seven of Swords. All right, somebody, if this person decides to take charge, because Seven of Swords is somebody who's like not wanting to confront it. All right, Seven of Swords is somebody who's like turning the back. All right, not wanting to face this. But Chariot energy is somebody who's ready to take charge of this situation. That's the kind of energy which I'm getting. All right, with the Magician and Wheel card, this person has the energy to turn the course of your life. All right, that could be the Judgment. All right, so this person will be able to make the judgment go in your favor. And for some reason, I feel like you know what I'm talking about. Because I broke the deck and we have the Two of Cups. This is the same Two of Cups. Alright? Right next to the Judgment is the Two of Cups. So we put the Two of Cups. So it's like a collaboration. Alright? With this person will take things forward with you. For you. Can we have the last card? We will come to that Judgment again. But can we end this reading with the last card? Capricorns out there. Can we have the last card, please? Can we have the last card, please? Strange. Alright, this is your last card. I'm telling you, this person, if you know this person, go after this person. Alright? They want me to look at this one. What is it? 5 of Wands. Alright. 2 cards. You got the same King of Pentacles. Alright. And the Chariot. I'm telling you, this is important. Alright. If you know this person, go after this person. This person can change things for you. Alright. Because 5 of Wands speaks about conflict. Alright. Not being on the same page. Even early, when I tried to clarify what those cards were about the Queen of Wands, they showed me the King of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, which is the clarity. There was something else, damn it. Page of Swords. Alright, Page of Swords is somebody who's holding the, it's like somebody who's very defensive. So I get the same energy from the 5 Wands, a very conflictive, I feel like this person is not ready to take that initiative. Alright? Chariot is like taking charge of a situation, but this person is not ready. So if you collaborate with this person, probably things will happen. Alright? Yeah, 4 of Pentacles, they're sitting tight. Yeah, not taking the initiative. Alright. Strange reading, but you have somebody on your side whom you can use as the trump card. Can we see what this Judgment is about? Because the Queen of Wands and the Judgment. This is your trump card. Alright, this person is your trump card to shift things in your to bring about a shift in your life. Can you show me what this Judgment is about? Can you show me what this Judgment is about? This one. Whoa. Knight of Pentacles and Hangman. Knight of Pentacles and the Hangman. For some reason, the deck was mixed up. Alright, Hangman is like somebody who's doing nothing. Alright. Just hanging in there, stagnant or in limbo. And then the Knight of Pentacles, which is a very slow moving energy. So get this energy from this person. Yeah, just a little, yeah, okay. Knight of Pentacles, slow moving energy. I got the same energy for the Queen of Wands with the 4 of Pentacles, sitting tight, doing nothing. Okay. Now, the Judgment. Look at the Ace of Wands and the World card. This is somebody who is a part of your world. Okay? Because I saw the 10 of Cups as well. It could be somebody who is very close to you, within your circle. Could be your family. Yeah? Somebody very close. It could be a very close friend of yours. Alright? This person is a part of your world. That's weird. Again, the Ace of Swords and the King of Pentacles. You know who this is. Alright? Let's do that again. Could you tell me what this judgment is about. Could you tell me what this judgment is about? High Priestess along with the Two of Swords. Alright, behind the deck is the Knight of Pentacles again. High Priestess along with the Queen of Wands. Alright. It's almost like they know you know. It's a matter of making that decision. Okay? Because Two of Swords, it's like the, you know, contemplating a decision. But this is a final verdict. The collaboration with someone is what it takes. Okay? But it seems like they are moving at a very slow pace. I just broke the deck and the Three of Wands. So it's like what you're waiting for is when they decide. I just broke the deck again and the Four of Cups. And there is something about them not wanting to, if that makes sense. Not wanting to step in, probably. Because Four of Cups, again, they are like, I don't want to do this. You know, that kind of energy. Alright, that's it. I wish you the very best. Capricorns out there. This is Marishi, my channel, Shloka. Until next time, bye-bye.